In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to make the coffee loophole recipe, or the coffee loophole coffee. Either way, it's super simple. To start, fill a mug up with black coffee. The coffee has to be black.
Absolutely no cream, guys.
You can use a drip coffee maker like I am, or another method like a French press, etc. Next, you're going to grab either freshly sliced lemons or lemon juice in a bottle. In this case, I'm using fresh lemons. And you're going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of fresh honey.
Next, you're going to add powdered cinnamon.
Now, the recipe calls for a small amount, and you don't need to follow that to a T. Just eyeball it. Cinnamon is a proven metabolism booster, so you can be a little generous with it. That said, don't add too much, or it'll make your coffee quite bitter. Natural cinnamon powder isn't sweet, it's just cinnamonish. Don't use cinnamon sugar. That defeats the whole purpose of this drink. Finally, stir it all together. Now I decided to try mixing it with my measuring spoon so that I didn't dirty another utensil, but soon realized that wasn't working. So I switched to my trusty milk frother thingy and went to town. About 30 seconds later, I have a well-blended coffee. All right, let's dive into the flavor profile of Coffee Loophole coffee. Honestly, it caught me off guard. Initially, I couldn't detect a hint of coffee. Instead, the zesty lemon juice and the rich sweetness of honey dominated the taste. But the coffee essence and a hint of cinnamon made their presence known only after that initial sip was gone. So it's quite a pleasant surprise. It's different, but in a good way, especially for someone like me who's been immersed in the coffee world for decades, with 20 of those years spent crafting lattes in Seattle and Santa Barbara. So, in my humble opinion, if you can get used to the taste, then this drink is definitely a doable morning coffee replacement. If you've watched till now, I'm assuming you want to lose some weight and are excited about the metabolism-enhancing properties of cinnamon and lemon juice. You might be familiar with a certain powdered add-on for your coffee known as Java Burn. Designed to complement coffee, Java Burn is enriched with natural ingredients aimed at boosting your metabolism and aiding in weight loss. You'll find a link to Java Burn in the video description. Just so you know, if you opt to buy Java Burn through that link, it supports our channel at no additional cost to you. Thanks for sticking with me till the end of this video. If you did, drop Uranus in the comments to let me know you've seen the whole thing.